Kung nag-iisip ka kung saan mo i-invest yung 13th month pay mo, you might as well do this. Nakakailang 13th month pay ka na ba sa trabaho mo pagkatapos marirealize mo na wala nang palang pinuntahan? Parang pinamigay mo lang sa mga inaanak mo pagkatapos, alam mo yun, wala na, ubus na. How about a percentage of your 13th month pay goes to learning a skill na bet naman ng napakaraming tao? For example, Amazon Virtual Assistants, product sourcing yung work, and kapag kinuha mo tong class na to, marirealize mo na parang shopping isn't that fun after all. Alam mo yung masasatisfy mo yung craving sa pagsha-shopping but at the same time, hindi nauubos yung pera mo? Because shopping is a skill na pwede mong gawin at i-offer as a freelancing and not many people realize that. If you guys wanna learn how to do Amazon Virtual Assistants as a product sourcer, i-click mo tong link sa bio ko pagkatapos it will open the Gig Hub. Itong Amazon class namin na 199 pesos lang siya. May kasama na siyang 2 weeks na internship. And if you go to, nakikita si Lucas, live mentorship, hanapin mo lang 999 Amazon with internship. I-click mo yan, it will open the link. December 14 and 15 yung next class nito. So wag ka na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Mabilis mapuno tong class na to. Mag-enroll ka na. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!